Hey, sir, how you doing?
How's yourself? Good, nice to see you. You remember Chris?
How are you, Chris?
Nice to see you.
I love Murphy. I love everything about him. He's a legacy grower. So we're talking about doing a live resin vape pen, some edibles. Wait a minute. You're gonna make all this live rosin?
All this live rosin, some nice, beautiful carts.
And I want to make sure that his grow and his people know what they're doing, because I know he does. All right, so this is the lemon
Tree creamsicle.
lemon tree creamsicle.
Yes, sir. Look at the nice trichromes there.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
And you got your boys working, huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is Q. This is Nico.
How you doing, man?
How you feeling?
Good, man. Good. Nice to see you.
Good to meet you, brother.
Nice to see you.
Still going through the process. Make sure we get a good trim on it. Not too much, but just enough to get that good stuff, the good greasy, good sticky trichomes on there.
Really, right?
You see, you got
Well, you got a lot of resin on there. Look
yeah.
at
Sir.
that. Oh, wow.
and every bit counts.
Smell that good lemon note on
Yeah,
there?
take a little hit on that.
Yeah.
My God. Chris, you can take this and squeeze it on the fish you make. It's a family-run operation. He is, I think, the first diversity license holder in Arizona, which is a big deal, as far as social equity is concerned in our industry. And it's very important to me.
You don't really see too many people of color in the industry as a whole, and so I like to be kind of that guy that kind of breaks that barrier.